Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device has power and connectivity so nothing interrupts the process. Open Settings, then Accessibility, and find Talkback or Screen Reader. This is where the core controls live. Once done, tap the Talkback entry to reveal its Toggle and Gestures menu. You need to disable it briefly only if it's misbehaving. If gestures are interfering, use two-finger scrolls to navigate. Make sure you can reach the on/off toggle before continuing to the next step. Now you'll reset the Talkback configuration so corrupted settings stop causing issues. First turn Talkback off, then reboot the phone to clear temporary states. After restart, reopen Accessibility and enter Talkback settings. Select Reset to Default Settings to restore standard gestures and voice parameters. If the Reset option isn't present, go to Settings Apps Talkback or Accessibility Suite and clear cache and storage. This forces a fresh configuration. Once reset, re-enable Talkback. Finally, re-enable Talkback and methodically test common gestures. Swipe right/left to move, double tap to activate, and two-finger scroll for pages. You're checking both how it hears commands and how it speaks results, so adjust speech rate, verbosity, and language to match your preference and confirm output clarity. If problems persist, uninstall updates or reinstall the Android Accessibility Suite and check for system updates. Doing so resolves deeper compatibility bugs. One key tip: if voice is missing, test a different language voice before complex resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.